Okay, here is the area that needs repaired. It's a 4-foot by 4-foot area. There was an upstairs bathroom leak and the homeowner has done the drywall repair themselves, and I've been brought in to just match the texture. So the most important thing with these jobs is to get the area all properly prepped and protected, because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cleanup. And stay tuned throughout the video and I'll let you know how much I charged to do this job. This is my favorite product for matching popcorn acoustical ceilings. So basically it's just plaster with some small pieces of styrofoam mixed in. So I like to just cut a small opening when dealing with these dry mix powder bags instead of just tearing the whole bag open and making a mess. This is the little texture machine that I'm going to be using for this repair. I use this little texture machine for all my small to medium repairs, and it's just really handy. So just for this portability, it's a HVLP type sprayer and it does all these types of textures. The machine works best when the hopper is completely full, because that just gives it more gravity weight of the material and just helps the material get blown out the nozzle easier. Well, if you enjoy these types of videos, consider hitting that subscribe button, because you can certainly learn from all my mistakes. So the first step is to get up close to the ceiling. This little machine works best when you're right up near the ceiling, so I'm using a pair of stilts, but you can also use a ladder. So kind of what I'm doing at this point is I'm just filling in the patched area with the bulk of the texture. And then after this, then I'll move on to the blending stage. So the one thing that I can't fix is the color difference between the textures. Older texture takes on a bit of a yellower tone, and the new texture is bright white. So the only way to fix this is to completely paint the rest of the ceiling, and the homeowners are going to do that part themselves. Alright, just double checking everything here and just making sure it's all perfect. So let me know in the comment section how much you think a job like that should be worth. I got $300. You might be thinking, well, $300 an hour, but there's lots of time involved of picking up material, setting up, unpacking, collecting, and all that assorted stuff. So I think it's a fair price.